How to pan, zoom and rotate in Fusion 360. In Fusion 360, you may wish to view your item that you've drawn from different angles. You can rotate your view by right-clicking your mouse, and this will orbit. As you move your mouse, you will be able to orbit your drawing. You can also click and grab this cube in the top right hand corner with the left mouse button. That will allow you to rotate your views. To get a standard isometric view, you just click this corner button when you can see top, front and right facing you. If you wish to fit the entire object on the screen, you can use these tools down here below. Zoom window to fit will bring the object into close view. You can also zoom in and out by scrolling your mouse wheel. Please note that where you hover your mouse is where the zooming in will focus on. So if you wish to focus on an edge here, you can place your cursor over that edge and it will zoom around that point.